Hey guys, this video is going to be a quick video on how I make my popcorn over the stove. That's the only way I like it. That's the way I've been having it since I've been young. I am also going to be using some Old Bay seasoning. The items that you'll be needing is you'll be needing some grease. I like to always make my popcorn in a pot like this with a lid. You need a lid. And I also usually use my garlic salt. Love it, love it, love it. But now I'm going to use this Old Bay seasoning. And the reason why I'm going to try Old Bay seasoning because I went inside a racetrack and I seen this sunflower seeds. It's the Old Bay sunflower seeds. Again, I got it from racetrack. I was like, you know what? I'm going to try something different. When I say you guys, I love these. So I was like, you know what? Why not try that on my popcorn? So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put a little bit of grease inside of this container, add one little popcorn, just one little piece of popcorn, and then put the lid on top. So let's go ahead and do that. Once the popcorn pop, that is when I put all the popcorn seeds in, and it tastes so much different when you do it like that instead of it sitting in grease. I like to always keep my popcorn inside of a hefty bag, and I only like the Jollytime the white popcorn. I love the white popcorn. You can use the yellow, but to me the white, if you can see that, is the best. You can get this from Walmart or Publix. And I always like to get canola oil, but you can use olive oil, whatever you like to use. And you put about that much oil in it. And now it's time for the seed. Put the lid on and wait until that pop. Once that pop, that's when you put it all in. Okay, so this is how it should look. Once it pops, you'll hear it. Stay by it close and put it on about medium. Not about 8. 8 works good. Not too hot. And then once that pop, that is when I'm going to put all the rest of the popcorn in. Okay? Okay, what I like to always do, like I said, you guys, this is my favorite salt, garlic salt, if you don't want to use Old Bay, but I'm going to just put a little bit of Old Bay right at the bottom. Even if I was using the garlic salt, that's the trick. Put the seasoning at the bottom. And not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, so let's just put a little bit of Old Bay right in there. Okay, not too much. And then we put the popcorn in there, and then we'll put some more Old Bay. And it won't be a lot, just a little bit. Here's the popcorn. And see, you can see the seed about to pop soon. So again, make sure you stay in here and watch it. Then once that happens, that's when you add all the rest of it. I like to add not a whole bunch, like about less than a cup. It just all depends on how much you are cooking, how much popcorn you're cooking for. But I don't add that much. A little bit goes a long way. Okay, guys, so you see that? You see how it popped? Okay, we're going to take it off the eye and put popcorn in. This is about the amount of popcorn I use. And just kind of shake it up. And then put your lid on. Make sure the lid is on good. And then you put it on this eye. Make sure you always use the smaller eye, unless you use a bigger pot. Okay, so now we just wait until it pops. Once it starts popping, that's when you remove it from once you start popping really good and a lot comes out, that's when you remove it from the heat and just let it pop on its own. Okay, guys, it's popping. You hear it? Let it pop a good amount. Get good and pop, and you'll know when to remove it. You'll know once it starts popping. See? Once it gets pretty full, you can take it off the fire. Okay, now I removed it from the fire. I'm going to let it do all the popping, and then I'm going to lift up the actual lid. And you will see a difference doing that. Lift up the lid, and then put the lid back down for a little bit. And it just tastes better. Okay, so it stopped popping. So just kind of lift up the lid, let the air hit it. Look how fresh and beautiful that is. And I just put that right back on and let it sit for a little bit. And then we are going to put it in the bowl. You can't put it in direct because I don't know, it just don't taste right. There's always a method to the madness, y'all. And guys, this way that I do it, you don't have to add no grease, no butter, or that butter. It will taste like you add butter. I'm telling you, it's good. And you know, Old Bay seasoning is really not salty. So just put a little bit of Old Bay on there. And let's see what this tastes like. I know it'll be good. It's not salty. It's a nice flavor. Very nice flavor. Because you know Old Bay is not salty. It's just like a nice, distinctive flavor. So you guys, you have to try this. Like when I say it's freaking good, it is good. Okay, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And I will chat with you later. This will be good to serve when you're having movie night or you're just chilling. So it's an excellent snack. Excellent. Okay, if you make it, let me know how you like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Take care, guys. Bye.